So today we're going to be taking on our knowledge of addition from yesterday and using it to add decimals, which as you know is part of a number. Okay? And well, why do we need to do that? Have a think in your head. Are there any decimals that you've added? Well, the obvious one is money, isn't it? We add and subtract money all the time, and that has decimals in it, like £1.99 is often 1.99 in a shop. So this is really useful for your day-to-day life. So the principles of adding decimals are exactly the same as any other addition. You simply line the numbers up in your place value grid, except that this one goes tens, ones. This is where your decimal point goes, which separates the decimals from the integers or whole numbers. And these are your tenths, and these are your hundredths. Remember that 10 tenths makes one whole. Okay? So you need to make sure that your decimal point is lined up in the right place. And this 3.2 has 3 ones and 2 tenths. And 1.3 has 1 1 and 3 tenths. And all you've got to do is add them up. So 2 add 3 is 5. And 3 add 1 is 4. Okay. Now this one has a bit of exchanging to do. But I'm sure you remember how to do that from yesterday. Let me do the first bit with you. 6 add 3 is 9. We remember to put the decimal point. Remember, if you don't do that, you've been a donut and you'll get the answer wrong. Now, 6 add 9 is 15. Okay? And the 1 goes into the next column, doesn't it? So it's 15.9. Have a go at this one. Okay, 2 add 4 is 6. We remember that decimal point, and 1 add 6 is 7. Right, now this one requires some slightly more difficult exchanging. So I want you to pause the video, add the tenths here, put the decimal point in, and remember to carry over. Off you go. Okay, so 9 add 3 is 12. But we can't put 12 in the tenths column, can we? We can't have 12 tenths. Okay, now if you remember, 10 tenths makes a whole. So your 1 goes into the ones column, doesn't it? Okay, so we've got 9 add 3 is 12, and the 1 goes in there. Now we just do 5 add 3, 8 add 1 is 9, making 9.2. Okay, your go. Pause the video and have a go, and remember to exchange. Okay, 9 add 9 is 18, remembering to exchange again. And then we've got to exchange again. 4 add 6 is 10, add 1 is 11. The 1 goes into the tens column. Okay, pause the video now. And these are your 6 questions to have a go at. Do that on a sheet of paper, if you can. The ones up here don't require any exchanging. The ones here do. And you've got some big ones here to make your brains hurt a little bit. So pause the video now, and off you go. Okay, well done for doing that. Now I will show you the answers. Remember, if you got something wrong, see if you can work out what you did wrong. If you can't work it out, send me a message on DB Primary and I'll see if I can help you.